My dear students, in previous class we have learned the meaning of the addition fact. We have learned the meaning for the addition facts, and in this example we will be learning how to find out the different facts to get the sum. I request you all to open page number 28 from your mathematics textbook. Addition facts for 1, 2 and 3. Today we will be learning here facts for 1, 2 and 3. Let us start with the number 1. If I want number 1 as my result, that is called sum. S-U-M. So the number 1 is a result here. The result is called sum. So I have written here as a sum. If I want to get my sum as 1, which all possible numbers I can add and I can get the answer? Let us learn the first example. Here see children, you all can see 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1. Along with the 1, if you add 0, the sum will be a 1. Which is the other possible way in what I can add the number and I can get the result as sum? You all have to tell me now. We'll reverse this first example. Example 0 plus 1 will be equals to 0. When you add any number along with the 0, you will get the number as it is. So, the sum will be 1. If you want to add the different numbers and if you want the result should be sum, and these two possible ways are there to get the result as 1. Now let us go for the 2. If I want to get the addition facts for the 2, if I want to get the result 2, which all possible numbers I can add in a different way and I can get the result? Here we will be learning. They have given here first example in that they have added 2 plus 0. Along with the 2, if you add 0, you will be getting 2 here. So this is the first possible way in which you can add the number, two numbers, and you can get the result. In the same way, we can reverse this. 0 plus 2. When I reverse the same thing, the answer will be 2 itself. 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2. Here you are going to get the same answer. That is 2. The sum of the two number is 2. But the place values are different. Here the first place value is 2 and the second place value is 0. Whereas in other example, the first place value is 0 and second place value is 2. In the same way, there is different possible way to get the result 2. That is 1 plus 1. Yes children, what will be the answer here? Correct. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. When we exchange the number, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So same number if you reverse here, the place values will be same because same place values are there. There is one more example they have given as I given here, 0 plus 2. So the answer will be 2. 2 plus 0 will be 2. So these all are the possible ways to find the sum. The sum value is 2 here. And these are the different possible ways to add the number. Now they have given the place value 3. First place value is 3 and the second place value is 0. When we add a particular number with the 0, we are going to get the same answer here, that is 3. So in this example you all can see this is the entire number, that is 3. The sum is 3. So here the 3 boxes are there which are filled. It means when you add the number, particular number, example 3 with the 0, the value will be same. Now let us learn the next possible way to get the answer 3. If I want 3 as a sum, there is another way to add the number, that is 2 plus 1. So here you can see the 2 blocks are there which are filled with the color and one box is blank over here. So this is 2. The value of these 2 boxes are 2 and this will be 1. In the same way, 1 plus 2. The value of one filled box is 1 and this blank boxes, the value of this 2 blank boxes is 2. So this is the possible way, children. Now you can see in the next example 0 plus 3. If I want to get the result as 3, see here they have given the 0 is having 0 value, means it is not having any value. So here the value of 3 blank boxes is 3. So the sum will be 3. Example 1 plus 2 is 3. So these are the different ways where the different place values are been placed in the different way, but you all can see the answer has come same. If you want to get the answer, that is sum, as a 3, that can be added in a different way. 3 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 or 0 plus 3. So this is the opposite of this, you all can see. And this is the opposite way of this particular problem.